Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm not going to do wiggly fingers today because I do want to talk to you about something pretty serious. I'm doing a fundraiser on December 21st. I will be doing it for most of the day. I'm going to be doing a streaming marathon, trying to raise money for the Alzheimer's Association. I've said this on my previous stream, but Alzheimer's is a very close condition to my heart, to my family. I lost my grandmother due to Alzheimer's, and then my grandfather on my other side had dementia. So this is very personal for me, and I know it's very personal for a lot of people. A lot of people have seen people in their family have this condition and know how painful it is, and know that a cure would be revolutionary and change so many lives. So I am partnering with the Autism Association to do a marathon. If you don't have money or anything to donate, that's totally fine. I just want to get that out of the way because I posted on Army of Weirdos, and a lot of people were like, I don't have anything to give, I feel really bad. And I really don't want to spread that message because that's not what fundraising and charity are all about. It's about if you have something to give and if you're willing to give, then you do give. Like that's what I see it as. I don't see it as like, hey, I'm barely scrounging by, I can barely put food on my table, but I need to be giving money because of X, Y, or Z. That is absolutely not what this needs to be about. What I want to talk about, I guess I want to talk about a couple things. So I have a goal of $300. If we blow past that, which would be amazing, that would be great. If we don't, that's okay. We'll just do our best. We always just do our best, and that's all we can do, right? And there will be certain perks for certain milestones met during that stream. So let's say at $50 you get this, there's a raffle for this, at $100 is a raffle for this, I don't know, something like that. That's what I'm thinking. I personally am thinking of throwing in a couple like free life coaching sessions, or maybe like a personalized like makeup tutorial. I don't know if anybody wants this, but like personalized makeup tutorial. If you're intimidated by makeup, you want to try something new, or if you want to try to go buck wild with your makeup, we can do that. But I know that other things that have been talked about are completed shawls, maybe a furls hook, maybe something else. I'm thinking about putting a Centro machine, a Centro 48 pin, in the running, because, you know, a lot of people really like knitting machines, and that would be a really cool prize, I think. And just things like that. So I am putting out a call for anyone who would like to donate to the like milestones. So any donation works, whether it's crochet, knit, or yarn related or not. It could be totally unrelated to any of that. If you want to donate something like that to this cause, that's fine. You would be responsible for the completion and the sending of that thing to whoever wins. And you can, you know, if you're like, I only want to do domestic, stuff like that, just let me know when we have that interaction, and we can absolutely do that. So that's kind of one of my things. And then the second is just donating in general. If you want to donate to the cause, regardless of whether or not you're able to attend a live stream, you're absolutely welcome to. I will put it in the link below. The The team name I picked is Team Joan McCaskill because that is my grandmother's name. And I am definitely doing this in her honor and also in honor of my grandfather on the other side. I truly believe that this could be something that we all can resonate with. If you've lost or have a family member with one of these conditions, I'm going to be doing crafts that are either directly for Alzheimer's awareness. So I'll be making my awareness ribbon hat in purple. One of the milestones might be I give that pattern away for free for the month of December. So I might give you a code and you can get the pattern for free. And you can go ahead and make it. And then you have the pattern forever. So that's one of my ideas. So I already kind of picked out my purples. I'm really excited. Which is the color for Alzheimer's and dementia. It's somewhere around here. But I'm also going to be doing things that my grandmother loved. Traditions we had. Maybe even pulling out my sewing machine. I don't know what I would sew, frankly, but I don't know. We'll figure something out. But just, stuff like that. If you have a family member who is or was affected by one of these illnesses and you have a craft that you would like to share, please feel free to put that in the comments below. And if I can do it, if I have the financial resources and just the skill level to do it, then I would love to incorporate that into my stream so that it becomes just as much about your family and your experience in your life as it does about mine. So if you have something like that, that you would really like to share with people that makes you feel close to that person, then absolutely share it. I'm planning on making some fidgets that you can donate to assisted living facilities if you want to make them along with me. These can be great for stimulating the mind, keeping it active, because a stagnant mind decays faster, regardless of whether or not you have this condition or not. But it is shown to have positive effects on people with this condition. I've reached out to some companies that do kind of like aids for Alzheimer's patients. There's this one, I kind of forget the name I reached out to. They're like drops and they're like little candies, but they have like a lot of hydration and like electrolytes in them, because people with Alzheimer's and dementia tend to forget to take care of their basic needs, like drinking enough water. So this company does that. So it's like, hey, I figured it can't hurt to reach out to them. The worst I can say is no, right? That's my attitude towards everything. And that's why I asked for help from all of you, because the worst you can say is no, I can't do it. But I really don't want anyone feeling bad if they can't do something. So let's kind of recap. So the event will be on December 21st. I will put the event on YouTube so that you don't have to, you can set a reminder, and that's that. The times are TBD. Second, if you have anything that you would like to donate for the milestones that you feel comfortable financially taking the burden on to send it out yourself, absolutely. That would be great. Leave that in the comments below. Second, if you want to donate, the link is already going to be in the description of this video, and you can go ahead and donate. You don't have to wait for the event. You want to wait for the event, you're more than welcome to. But if you can't make the event for whatever reason and do want to donate, you can donate through this. None of the money goes to me. It all goes to the Alzheimer's Association. And then lastly, if you have anything that you shared with a loved one whether it be a craft or something we could do on the stream, or even if you just want to like give them a uh, like a in memory of picture, like we'll post a picture of them. I don't know how we'll do that. If you want to share something about that person with us, you are more than welcome, because like I said, I want you to feel as connected, and on have that person as connected and honored in this issue as possible. So all things to do in the comments. So I imagine you'll be very busy, or maybe you won't be busy at all and no one will see this. Who knows? Algorithm's weird. But I really am excited for this. I love giving back. And I just, hope we can have a great time honoring people that we love. I hope you all have a great day, evening, morning, wherever you are, and let's have fun. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Bye.